Hi everyone, Cassie here from Primrose Dawn, and today I want to show you a new trick I learned for sewing fold-over elastic. As you can see on this sample here, it looks like I've sewn the fold-over elastic in one pass because you can only see one line of stitching, but I actually did it in two passes. And I think I like this method a little more than the two-pass method that uses zigzag on both passes. So let me show you how it's done. So I have my scrap of fabric that I'm going to be demonstrating with, and I have my fold-over elastic. So I'm going to take the fold-over elastic, and I want the shiny side to be the right side. It's up to you which side you want to be the right side on the fold-over elastic. So this is right side down. This is the matte side of the elastic facing up. I'm going to line up the edge of the fabric near the middle of the elastic. There's kind of a dent in the elastic where you can see the middle. And I'm going to try to sew about halfway between the middle of the elastic and the edge of the elastic. And instead of doing a zigzag, I'm going to set my machine for a basting stitch. This is a regular straight stitch, and I have it set to about 4. And we're just going to try to sew right down the middle here, halfway between the middle of the elastic and the end. And I'm going to stretch the elastic slightly. Let's get the needle down first. Try to keep the edge of the fabric near the middle part of the elastic. Okay. So that's the first pass. I can trim the end here. And now I'm going to set my machine. I have it on a not a 3-step zigzag. There we go. Regular zigzag. I have it at 3.6 width and 2 length. And now we're going to stitch down over the edge. You want to fold over the elastic. And you don't want your stitching to extend past it. You just want it to be close to this edge as you can. Oops. I like to get stuck here. Obviously, I'm using a contrast thread so you can see you'll want to use thread that matches your elastic. Okay, so now you can see there's zigzag on this side, but it looks kind of a mess on the back. So we're going to take our seam ripper and we're going to just carefully pick out the basting stitch. If you were really clever, you could just pull it all out in one piece. Let's see how clever I am. Oh, I did. Look at that. And now you can see. It looks like it was just sewn in one pass. And it still has a very nice elastic edge. So that's my new way for sewing fold-over elastic. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Bye for now.